One simple change that can radically reduce your to-do list is to adopt the practice of prioritization based on the Eisenhower Box method. So how to do that is tasks that require immediate attention and are crucial, these are your top priorities. So tasks that contribute to your long-term goals and require planning, schedule these for later. On third, tasks that are time sensitive but can be delegated to others, identify who can handle this task. Then tasks that are neither urgent nor contributing to your goals, consider eliminating these to free up time. After that, start by listing all tasks on your to-do list. Evaluate each task and place them into the appropriate quadrant of the Eisenhower box. Immediately start working on tasks in the urgent and important quadrant. Set specific times in your calendar to tackle tasks in the important but not urgent quadrant. You can also delegate tasks in the urgent but not important quadrant to appropriate colleagues or team members. You can remove tasks in the neither urgent or important quadrant from your list altogether. So by focusing on urgent and important tasks first, you reduce stress and improve productivity. Prioritization provides clarity on what needs immediate attention versus what can wait. So delegation and elimination of tasks that don't align with your goals free up time for more meaningful work. So start each day by reviewing and updating your to-do list. Weekly assess your progress and adjust priorities as needed. Also be mindful of adding new tasks and ensure they align with your priorities. Also make sure to leave them on each new section so that you can easily get through them and complete your task. By adopting this, you can make a simple yet profound change in how you manage a to-do list, leading to increased focus on what truly matters and a more efficient use of your time and energy. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.